Assalamu alaikum. 2021 marks a special year for us. It rounds off 2 decades for TPL Tracker. This puts 2020 in a unique light, with disruption and resilience playing major roles in all that we have accomplished. Amid the uncertainty brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic, we have shown determination to drive success through developing new business lines and digital initiatives for sustainable growth. I would like to take this time to highlight some of our major achievements. The COVID-19 pandemic brought about a tremendous shift in the outlook for key markets, the nature of business as we knew it, and consumer behavior. Shortly following the lockdown, we were chosen as the primary location-based services provider by the National Information Technology Board to support multiple initiatives at national level for Pakistan's fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Through this collaboration, we provided location-based services for the purpose of mapping, analyzing, reporting, and responding to cases across the country. We remained fully operational and provided essential services to Chipa, ED, and other rescue and emergency services. The pandemic also brought about a rise in demand for home delivery. As a result, we signed on Foodpanda, Telenor, MyRide, Bikea in this sector and exceeded our revenue expectations fivefold. While key sectors like automotive manufacturing were already underperforming in 2019, we had to adapt to maintain business momentum and generate sustainable growth. We brought new innovations to the forefront like our connected car solutions, Tracker for retail, and we actively targeted new entrants like Kia, Hyundai, and Changan in the automotive market. We were selected as the exclusive supplier of infotainment and navigation for Hyundai Tucson, capitalizing on over 3,000 orders being booked on the very first day of launch. It is also a point of pride that we were the first company to have started commercial tracking operations from Gwadar Port, which will only add to the long-term growth of our container security business line. On the IoT front, we were pre-qualified by the FBR as one of the selected solution providers for advanced video analytic solutions to be implemented in over 30 different manufacturing sectors. Our IPO in the middle of the pandemic was oversubscribed by 14% with 80% participation from institutional investors. All these achievements are in no small part due to our people who have shown tremendous resolve and agility and pragmatism. As we move forward, we will continue to explore new avenues of growth through product and data innovation. These will ultimately strengthen our presence in key markets and address the needs of our stakeholders. I would like to thank our board for having faith in us to deliver, and inshallah we shall continue to exceed their expectations. Thank you.